Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Guardian. I'm Gary West, your dedicated cybersecurity consultant right here in Mossel Bay. Today I want to share an exciting initiative we're undertaking, our OSINT geolocation campaign, aptly named the Cyber Guardian Come Find Me. If you remember the person, Jose Monkey, he's an American OSINT or investigator using OSINT tools and etc. and geolocations. He's very good at what he does, and it also exposes a lot of places and creates a lot of awareness, but it also showcases some of the skill sets that he has, etc. This is purely for that reason, and I'm kind of using a bit of his idea, but also with a slight difference here in South Africa and obviously in iconic Mossel Bay. In this campaign, we're leveraging the rich and diverse landscapes of the iconic Mossel Bay area to create engaging content. From the historic post office tree to the breathtaking views of Pinnacle Point, we're showcasing landmarks in various locales around Mossel Bay, some of which may be only known to some. And some landmarks may not be landmarks at all, making the challenge even more challenging for me. My primary goal is to raise awareness among children and adults of the importance of being mindful of the environment, especially in today's digital age. Many of us enjoy making photos and videos that inadvertently reveal our exact location. While sharing these moments can be fun, it's crucial to recognize the potential risk involved. If you look at the recent incidences that have underscored the dangers presented in our society, for example, a video circulating on Facebook depicted the woman waiting for a lift when an individual walked past her, followed by a car pulling up and attempting to force her inside. Fortunately, she managed to escape. Such events highlighted the reality of human trafficking and kidnapping, which are alarmingly prevalent and lucrative criminal activities. With poverty levels at an unprecedented highs, these threats are only becoming more and more pronounced. Our campaign aims to educate the public about these dangers and promote vigilance. By understanding the information we share online and its potential implications, we can take proactive steps to protect ourselves and our loved ones. It is at this stage I'd like to invite you to this series and hope you enjoy every episode. Be sure to support me on my OSINT journey and allow me to show you how one can be found with the correct training and the amazing OSINT tools and skill set. It is after all about the details. One must have a good eye. If this is you, join in on the fun and make a short clip clearly showing your background, your 180-degree scan, and say on camera, "Hi, Cyber Guardian, come and find me." Thank you for being a part of the community. Together, let's stay informed, stay aware, and stay safe. I hope to see you on the rest of the episodes as we explore the hidden and the unknown landscapes of the internet using open source intelligence and geolocation applications.